If you're doing less than 5% conversion rate on a monthly basis for your Shopify store and you have a lower than $500 in average order value, you need to watch this video. I'll show you how you can actually convert up to 5% on a monthly basis using the best possible user experience for a Shopify store. And the most important thing is if you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google ads, and you're bringing a lot of traffic and you're converting anywhere from like 1 to 3%, you need to watch this full video. I'll show you a brand we basically replicated and we are doing over 7% conversion rate on a monthly basis consistently. Let me actually share my screen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I'm going to be reviewing a brand called Gainful, and this is one of the brands when it comes to the product pages, the whole user experience, and the funnel system. This changes the game that you do business online. Now, if you're not in the supplement space, it doesn't really matter. When it comes to the marketing side of things, user experience, it can be created for any specific brand out there when it comes to the product side of things. So let me actually resize my screen. So first thing first, when it comes to the homepage side of things, you need to actually build a personalized experience around what your products is, what you're selling, and brand story is one of the most important things when it comes to building the user experience for your homepage. The next and the most important thing is if you have retention rate of 40, 50, 60, 70%, we need to showcase all the categories onto the homepage and to the product pages as well, where people can either shop by the products or they can shop by the goal. Now, of course, in the supplement industry, we can do like shop proteins, pre-workout, hydration, shop greens, and then shopping by the goal is more like a day-to-day lifestyle that people can just click on it, purchase the product, and bounce. Okay. The second and the most important thing we do is the UGC and the brand community side of things and how these type of things makes a huge difference when it comes to your brand. So we use a lot of UGC content, but not just like adding plugins over plugins over plugins. We create everything customized in-house when it comes to Shopify. So all these videos that you see, whatever the product is being reviewed in every single video, you can actually see the product listed right here, and you can just click on it and it takes you to that specific product page. Okay, let's talk about a little bit of the proofing side of things when it comes to brand consideration. Either you can use experts, you can use UGC, as I mentioned earlier, reviews, before and afters, everything all together. If you have a personalized brand or if you're a personal brand owner, you can actually showcase yourself as a brand owner onto the homepage as well. Now, let me talk about some product pages and how we actually build a user experience around product pages, collections, navigation system, all the entire user experience is very personalized. So regardless if you're selling a low ticket product for like $20, $30, $40, $50 or a high ticket product that costs like $10,000, $20,000, $100,000, I do work with some brands that have very, very high ticket products and we can customize anything when it comes to the product things. As you can see right here, I'll just click on any of these product pages and I'll show you why having a different experience for every single product page makes a huge difference of how your conversion rate looks like. Okay, so we convert roughly around like 7% on a monthly basis. If you see this product, this is called a high performing hydration. Very, very specific buy box, very, very specific education around what the product is, ingredients, where the product comes from, what are some of the things that you can actually use the product with, how to use the product, and then we use some sort of social proofing. Now, if I go on to any other product pages, let's talk about this pre-workout. You can see totally different user experience of how the layout looks like. Now, if I click on any of the other products out there, you can see there's a different buy box, different type of offer. We're selling variety packs here. So the more servings people get, the more variety they can add into the cart without going back and forth on different product pages and adding different products because it adds a lot of friction. So what we do is like we create a personalized experience between different products. We use infographic pictures, different buy boxes, different offers. We even change subscribe and one-time purchase offer based on the product page the consumer is on. That way, you can actually customize each single product page. And if you're using Microsoft Clarity or any custom heat maps, you can track and scale each of your single product pages conversion rate to 5, 6, or even 7%. That's how we do it. On top of that, we also do taking the quiz that if people are not interested in specific product and they're kind of confused, they're coming to your website for the first time, they can actually select what their lifestyle is is, and by filling out a simple survey. And once they fill out everything, they will see personalized results based on what your product is. So let me actually show you, based on the information I put in the quiz, these are the suggested products that you can actually see based on the lifestyle I put in. So this is how you actually scale your stores to 5, 6, or even 7% on a monthly basis. If you're stuck at 1, 2, 3% conversion rate on a monthly basis, you're bringing a lot of traffic, you want to scale this holiday season, you need to contact me. My calendar link is right below this video. I'm happy to help you. Our desktop layout designs looks exactly the same, regardless if people are coming on desktop or mobile. 99% of the traffic is mobile nowadays. And we can build customized experiences without using any third-party plugins. Or our Shopify stores are custom built. And the good thing about it is you don't even have to go into the code in order to edit any sections. You can change colors, fonts, pictures, whatever you want, just by going into Builder that we're going to custom create for your website. So be sure to contact me. I'm happy to help you. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.